How to fix Instagram not working after updating. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not working after you update it. So first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on this storage option, and then you have to wait a few seconds because it will start computing the number of the data that you have in your Instagram. And after it finish, click on clear data and then click on delete. All the app data will be deleted. This includes files, settings, accounts, databases. So click delete and then go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.